Hi, it's Orkelys, SuperSaver. So I'm getting ready to put gas, and I just wanted to take a moment and make a video and show you how I use the GasBuddy card and the GasBuddy app to put gas. So first I would typically go into my GasBuddy app, press Find Gas Near You in the home section. Then I would compare the different ones and then decide which one I wanted to go to. Although there are some that are cheaper than this one that I'm at right now. I'm going to use this one because I love this gas station. I talk about it in another video, so you can check that out. And I like to go in there and report the prices too, just to make sure that they are exactly what they have in here, and that way anybody else knows that these are correct. Plus you get points for reporting the prices, which is nice because then you could use those points to enter to win $100 in free gas. So you would enter to win. I don't have any now. I already submitted an entry today with my 1,000 points, and then it shows you here the different people who have been winning, so you know it's for real. And you would just fill out all your info here, and then you could do these cute little challenges to get more points and enter to win. You can use those different entries to try and get that $100. So then let's say I'm here. Well, I am here and I'm getting ready to put gas. So what I would do is I always like to pair up my gas with the appropriate gas station's reward system, which here it's Speedway gas, and I will then use my Speedway gas card along with my GasBuddy card to put gas, and this will get me points at Speedway gas, so yay. And then this gives me points to win, and then also helps you find whatever. What I really like about this is that even if you don't have money in your account, you won't have to be without gas, because they won't charge your account the same day. It takes about 1 to 2 business days for the transaction to come through, so that if you don't have any money right now but you need gas, you can still use it, and in a day or two it'll give you enough time to put some money in your account, so that way you won't be without gas. So that's great. And then the first time that you put gas with it, you get 15 cents off per gallon. So there you go. And if you sign up using my my link or my referral or my invite, we'll both get bonuses for that. So that's nice. So that's pretty much the explanation for GasBuddy. It's great. Highly recommend it. Free money. And then of course the whole transaction not taking long, so never running out of gas is another one. It's funny because I always see people on the side of the roads waiting for somebody to come help them put gas because they didn't put for whatever reason. So that'll help you not end up in that situation. Highly recommend. Anywho, thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please press the like button and subscribe for more videos on how to save money and get free and get cash back and free and rewards and points and stuff like that. Have a great day and keep saving that money.